Here I have LG Q7 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's enable the phone's dialer, and here you need to use the following secret code *#06#, and as you can see, the IMEI number just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to confirm it. Let's go back, and now let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number by using the settings. So let's choose settings, select general, let's scroll down and simply choose here the about phone, select common, and here you have to choose status. Under status you've got access to IMEI number, and if you go back and choose hardware info, you should find the serial number and also other stuff such as the Wi-Fi MAC address, model number or Bluetooth address. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.